Hi everybody! I'm finally back with something exciting to film. As you can tell, this is the Erin Condren Suprise box, and I'm super excited to get into it, so let's do it. Alright, so the 2018 Fall Seasonal Surprise Box. The box theme is Autumn Sparkle, and I'm super excited because, oh wait, don't want to see that. Because fall or autumn is my favorite season, so I'm really excited to see the color schemes and stuff. Here is the top. Start each day with a grateful heart. Very nice, I like that. Unfortunately, I did absent-mindedly kind of look at the spoiler card, but I don't really remember, like, I didn't really register any specific things, so let's see. I love the color. Ooh, oh, okay. This is nice. Oh, I'm already liking this. Okay, so let's start with the washi first. So this is a beautiful, like, it's actually like foiled, which I don't know if they've done foiled washi before, but it's like a scalloped teal washi. You can see metallic washi tape. 16-foot roll. Yeah, that's exciting. I love washi tape, so that's awesome. Ooh, this is a designer mechanical pencil. Whether you prefer planning in pencil before committing to pen or looking for your must-have math tool, this designer mechanical pencil does it all, featuring stylish elements signature to EC. This pencil fuses function with fashion. Can I open it? Yes. Let's see. Oh, it's very smooth, and this is a decent grip, and like right here on the side, see, like these buttons are what you push to bring the lead out. Let's maybe test. I can write on here the back of the here, maybe the inside of this. I don't want it to. Let's try and like, oh gosh. Okay. It's a very, very fine tip. Let's see if it'll, I don't know if it's gonna, there you go, I think. It's very fine, like very pointy, so please excuse my writing. I'm not very good at cursive or anything. Oh yeah, it feels nice. If I don't have too much let out in the tip, then I think it's fine. But when I rock it back and forth, I can hear the lead. Let's see. Oh, jeez, am I gonna? Oh gosh, I like already broke it. Okay, I think maybe this is where you take out the lead. Okay, maybe not there. Okay, there's got to be a way to change out the lead. I may have to look at that later. I'm not sure, but oh gosh, did I break it? Oh no, whew, okay. It wasn't screwed all the way on. It's fine, I like it. I'll have to figure out how to do the lead replacements, but it's nice. Okay, let's get back in. Okay, ooh. These are like puffy stickers that are Halloween and fall themed. Oh, and they're like, they have like metallic accents. Can you see, like, I don't know if you can tell the thing here, but let me take them out. Oh, okay. Let's see, you can see the kind of the thickness of them, but they feel really nice. I love the metallics. Hello Fall, love that. The peacock feather is super pretty. Grateful. Yeah, so this is really cool. This is a unique item. Yeah, I haven't had like puffy stickers from them or anything before, so that's really cool. Okay, this looks like a little, you know, like a seasonal sticker kit. It's mostly like washies, some checklist boxes, you know, the maybe like in that like top left corner spot you could put something. Oh, and actually that looks like translucent. Are these, well, okay, I have to see if these are translucent actually, because the word one looks translucent. And is there just one sheet or two? Okay, it is one sheet, but okay, these feel translucent. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? It is. Oh wow. I love it. Yeah, okay, so these would all look so cool. Yeah, these are all that, like, man, I'm really pumped that they started this translucent like material for stickers. It is awesome. So yeah, this is great. I love it. Okay. You guys don't know this, but I'm obsessed with like pouches and things like that. Like for instance, I get Ipsy, and honestly, the main reason I get Ipsy is just for the pouch every month. I have like a drawer of all of them. I kind of hoard them. Oh, this is a wonderful feeling. This is a nice material, her asterisk symbol. Ooh, look at that design. Okay, that is so cute. Is there a zipper or anything, or is it just... So this is a small luxe clutch. All right. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet, but I'm really loving it. I'm loving the color. Not a huge fan of the gold accent, but in this case, with the color they chose, I understand it, so I'm okay with it. Yeah, probably my favorite item. All right. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. So here's just like a scalloped designed notepad with some different colors, which, you know, you can always have more sticky pads and notepads and stuff. So that's nice. A little extra. This I'm pumped about because I love like note cards and thank you cards and things, and they come with matching sticker seals with the Grateful Heart and the peacock design, and they both have metallics, which is really beautiful. So I really like that. That's nice. Ooh, I know what this is. Look at this cover. Okay, it is a little bit more simple than I guess I would envision, considering all the other things that we got. Like, but it is very fall themed, like a, you know, a plaid or flannel like long sleeve shirt or sweater or something, I guess. I see where they're going, and I do like that they chose like some different colors than normal. Okay, where's the opening? Oh, here it is. But I do love covers. I can never get enough of their interchangeable covers. So one more to add to my collection. I am not upset about it. It is pretty with like the metallic in there. I always love the covers that have metallic in it. So it's, I mean, it's very simple. You can see it's just the same front and back, but I definitely like it. Oh, and this one doesn't have that little barcode that has been showing up on covers lately. But yeah, okay, like it. I think that's all we have in the box. So let's recap and see what is exclusive and what's not. Let's see here. All right, so we have the cover, which now we will peek at this. So the cover, okay, the metallic interchangeable cover is an exclusive. Awesome. And they say it is a $13 value. Let's do the note cards next. Let's see. Seasonal card 2-pack, also exclusive, a $6 value. Awesome, love that. The sticky notes, let's see. Oh, scallop sticky notepad, $6 value, exclusive. This is $6 when these are $6? I mean, there's not like metallic on these or anything, so I feel like, I don't know if I'd pay $6 for that, but I still like it, but awesome. This is so far all exclusive. Let's look at my favorite item, the clutch. And, oh, awesome. Metallic asterisk clutch is also an exclusive. Oh, exclusive to e-commerce shoppers, will be available in-store at EC Austin. Okay, so if you're in Austin, then you would be lucky because you'd be able to purchase this, which is awesome. But for everyone else, and like for me, I live in Minnesota. I cannot go to that store, which I'd love to one day. But yeah, so otherwise this is exclusive. Let's look at the sticker sheet. Oh, okay, so this is including actually both. The sticker sheet, it says clear and puffy, is a $7 value. See, I think that's crazy that like this is for $7 and this little like nothing special notepad is $6. I feel like I think this one is like overpriced. I mean, everything can always be a little overpriced when you're going to like a brand or whatever, but like I would pay $7. Like so far I'm okay with all the prices of these, but this I think is a little overpriced. Oh, I didn't mention the clutch is actually a $20 value, so that is awesome, considering the box itself is $35. So, let me move that down a little bit. So that's cool. And lastly, we have the foil washi, the metallic foil washi tape, which is a sneak peek. Oh no, not lastly, I still have the pencil somewhere, but this is a sneak peek, which is cool because foiled washi is always fun, and I really like the turquoise teal color. It's very beautiful. So that's awesome. You guys will be able to get this at some point. And lastly, oh, it fell on the ground, is the mechanical pencil, and that is also a sneak peek. $8 value for the pencil, and the washi is $4. Like, see, I feel like the washi, like, I don't know. In this case, I feel like I'd rather pay $6 for a washi and $4 for this rather than the other way around, but I guess that is just my preference on what I like. I don't know. This being $8, I guess because it's supposed to be like a designer, like, mechanical pencil, like a nicer one. I mean, $8, I guess I can see that. So I'm not sure how I feel about how like fine the tip is, just because when it's like with like lead, I feel like it's easier to break in that regard, but I also love fine tip in like most cases. So I'll be excited to use it and see how I ultimately feel, but I do like the item. But it looks like that's it. Yeah. So, I mean, this is the box. It's awesome. I've always been a fan of the surprise boxes, and I probably won't ever stop getting them. But definitely, I think my favorite items would be, oh gosh, actually, sorry. Okay, for sure, the clutch. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I might just hoard it and put it in a drawer, but I love it. I do like the cover just because I like also having a lot of covers, even though the design isn't my favorite, but I do like it. So if I had to choose, it might be the stickers and the clutch, like my ideal, like ultimate favorite. But I do like everything in this. My least favorite is probably the notepad, just because I have a lot of them, but I mean, you can always use them. But yeah, this was a great surprise box. I feel like the value is there, in my personal opinion, knowing if I bought these all individually. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll have something exciting to unbox or share with you soon. Otherwise, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye!